Now let's talk about what is benchmarking. It is the process of comparing one business processes and performance metrics to industry best or best practices from other companies. For example, Company A car company, might look at metrics like production time per vehicle, defect rates, and inventory levels of other car company like car company B. Company A might study their processes, including their use of just-in-time inventory, automation, and quality control practices. By comparing its own metrics to Company B, the company can identify gaps. For example, it might find that its defect rate is higher and that it holds more inventory than Company B. With the findings, Company A then adopts some of the Company B method, such as implementing a more rigorous quality control and adopting a just-in-time inventory system to reduce waste. Through this benchmarking process, Company A can improve its efficiency, reduce costs, and increase overall productivity. Thank you and happy learning.